We've worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer and we wanted to share it with the world.
This 5-star review on Google by Harold R. Prompt and professional at a fair price. They are a local company, not dispatched from an overseas call center. I needed a Volkswagen key cut and programmer. They were able to come out right away without any problems. Highly recommended. Thanks, Harold, for your 5-star review.
We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to earn your business all over again. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.